Hello YouTube. Now in this video I will talk about these old vacuums, not just these, but overall why I like old vacuums. Now these are absolutely my favorite vacuums. Lux Royale and Philips P74 automatic, electronic, and these have that twin turbine motor with slower RPM than new vacuums, and that will cause that lower pitch noise, very smooth noise. Now all old vacuums are not so smooth like these are. Now there is difference, 10 years difference between these two. Philips is from the mid 80s and Lux is from the mid 90s, but this looks older, but I really like how this has that metal parts, a lot of metal parts, and this plastic is very good quality. And I did the airflow test. These both were in it, and these performed extremely well, and like I have said many times, Lux is my best performing vacuum with the airflow and suction, and Philips is very close behind that. So very good quality. Motors seems to have very good bearings, and how they are just made to last, and it's hard to think that modern cleaners would last so long what these have lasted with the original motors. And just sound check. I put these hoses to side, so there is not so much that airflow noise from the hose. And let's start with the Lux. So Lux start with the minimum setting. Now Philips. Now it really can't get any smoother than this. These are, I just like so much that noise what these make. There's something special about that, and just the style of these. I understand that everyone doesn't like these, but I really do, and many don't know about Philips much. This is actually quite or was very expensive actually back in the day, and this was direct competition to the Miele, and this P74 was, and this series, this style series with this swivel top was one of their best ever vacuum what Philips did, and this was in sorry state when I got it, but it still need a bit polishing, but it's so much better condition what it was original, and Lux is one of those door-to-door salesmen vacuum, so called like Kirby, I mean, and these are insanely high priced. I would say that these are a bit overpriced, but when you buy these used, you can get these very cheaply. And what it comes to the Kirbys, I already have plans for buying one. But no, I will not say more about that yet. But yes, despite the low noise level what these make, these are actually very powerful, like I said, and it's just there's something about these old style vacuum cleaners, and in the USA there is that Aerus Electrolux what is more close to this than Philips, and this just show that they did very good vacuum cleaners back in the day, and I really wish that modern vacuum cleaners would also have that two turbine motor, because the result why when they don't have is this I just saw, but Electrolux Ultraflex sounds like majority of new vacuums. And Philips. And Lux. Now this hose makes that extra noise in the Lux, but yeah, yes, you could hear the difference. And when you combine these with the modern power nozzle, you can actually beat the modern vacuums with these. Like I have that Vesselwerk power head, and I just quickly show that. So when you combine these old vacuum cleaners with modern power head like this is a bit dusty from the pigment, latest cleaning after the pigments test, but this is German Besselwerk. With very stiff bristles, sort of stiff bristles, and this has actually very powerful motor also. This is very well made. Now this is not just these are super good and blah blah blah, and I just saw what you can get, and my meaning of this is that you can get very cheaply extremely high performance. Yes, not only they sound sweet, but they are also perform extremely well. And one reason for that is very simple air path, and that allows maximum airflow and suction with the two-stage, two-turbine suction motor. So Nilfisk is coming, and it should be tomorrow or at least this week, but it should be tomorrow, but let's see. Okay, so this was just some kind of update why I always highlight these. It's just these things what I said in this. So thank you for watching, and please comment what you think about this. Okay, thank you for watching, and goodbye.